Today we're talking about 5 reasons why you should feed your baby sweet potatoes. Let's dive in. Reason number 1, nutrient-packed. Sweet potatoes are loaded with essential vitamins like A, C, and E, plus minerals like potassium and fiber. They help support your baby's overall growth and development. Reason number 2, great for digestion. The fiber in sweet potatoes promotes healthy digestion and prevents constipation. A happy tummy means a happy baby. Reason number 3, versatile and tasty. Sweet potatoes can be mashed, pureed, or even baked into tiny finger foods. Their natural sweetness makes them a hit with little ones. Reason number 4, boosts immunity. The high levels of beta-carotene in sweet potatoes convert to vitamin A in the body, which is essential for a strong immune system. Reason number 5, easy to prepare. Whether you're steaming, baking, or boiling, sweet potatoes are quick and simple to cook, perfect for busy parents on the go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more baby food tips and fun recipes.